Hello all. Today I'm going to explain you on why the WhatsApp uses the WebSocket instead of the REST API. So this is a small theory which I will go through it. So how it works, like the REST API, the client sends the HTTP request, the server processes and responds, and the connection is closed. And this will repeat for every message. So the problem is high overhead, no real-time push, high latency, whereas in the WebSocket, one-time handshake and persistent and duplex channel open, messages flow both ways freely, no reconnect per message, low latency, minimal overhead and real-time push. So this is the real-time communication for the 500. So this is the rest latency and this is WS latency 50 milliseconds and this is 2 to 10 header size. So this is the flow over the WebSocket. The user taps to send the frame transmitted instantly over the open TCP socket, and this will go to the ACK acknowledgement receipt single tick shown as the sender. The server routes to the recipient persistent WebSocket connection, and this will be pushed with a double tick when it is shown as delivered. So this is the WhatsApp architecture. The client, iOS, Android, maintains the persistent connection, local encrypted message store, and this is the XMPP over the WebSocket protocol, and this will goes to the edge gateway, large millions to open sockets per node, session tracking and presence, message routing in queue, and this will go to the backend services, Cassandra, offline queue, media server, and E2E encryption. So let me open my VS Code to show you exactly how I have created a simple chat application. So this is the client. I created a folder and this is the file which I created. So in the file, let me go to the code. So this is for the this opens at the local host 5000, and this is the message. This will get the message input, and this will check the connection, socket.on connect, and this will give the log which is connected to the server or not. So next it will check the disconnection. Once it is disconnected, the console log is disconnected from the server, and this function will send the message, and if the message, please enter your message, and this will return the message. This console log will give the sending sending icon and message, and once the message has been sent, this will text the message, and this is the value, and this is the receiving message. Once the message is received on the other side, console log shows it has been received, and this will append it. And this is the auto scroll function which has been given, and this is the index.html file, and this is a simple chat app we have created, and this will have a style.css which will have the content width and content container ID, and it is having the button to send the message, and this is the style.css, and this is the body display content, and this is the chat container, and this is the border, height, overflow, padding, margin. So this is entirely on the client and this is on the server. And this is the package.json which will be created, version, description, main, and this is the server.js. So in the server.js, this will open the Express application, and here this will require the HTTP, and this require the socket.io connection, and this requires the CORS, and this will create an app. So this creates an app. So after this, and this serves as static files from the client folder, and this will create a server, and this will have a get and post methods, and this is the socket connection. Once the user is connected, it will send the message and it will receive the message on the other side. And let me open the screen on the chat. So just I'll type hi, put it in send, and this is the message sending received. And if we open on the other side, this is the other app. So in this, and this is how the WhatsApp uses the WebSocket instead of REST API for the, so WebSocket is used for the persistent connection. This is the simple demo of the simple chat app. Thank you.